Welcome to Mastering the Financial Ecosystem. Have you ever wondered how businesses know whether they're making a profit, managing expenses effectively, or growing financially? The answer lies in accounting and finance. In this four-part series, we'll simplify these concepts using practical examples, making them easy to understand even if you're completely new to business finance. Let's begin with the fundamentals. People often use the terms bookkeeping and accounting interchangeably, but they serve different purposes. Bookkeeping is the process of recording every financial transaction that occurs in a business. Every sale, purchase, payment, or expense is carefully documented. Accounting takes those recorded transactions and transforms them into meaningful financial information. It analyzes the data, prepares reports, and helps business owners understand how the business is performing. Think of bookkeeping as collecting the puzzle pieces, while accounting puts those pieces together to reveal the complete picture. At the heart of accounting is one simple yet powerful formula: assets equal liabilities plus equity. Assets are everything the business owns, such as cash, inventory, or equipment. Liabilities represent what the business owes to others, including loans or unpaid bills. Equity is the owner's investment in the business along with any accumulated profits. Every financial transaction affects at least two accounts, but this equation must always remain balanced. This balance is the foundation of the entire accounting system. To understand business transactions, we need to know the five major account types. Assets represent valuable resources owned by the business. Liabilities are obligations the business must pay. Equity reflects the owner's share in the company. Revenue is the income earned by selling products or services. And expenses are the costs incurred to operate the business. Every transaction you'll ever record will impact one or more of these five categories. In the next video, we'll bring these concepts to life by following Luna as she starts her own lemonade stand and records her very first business transactions. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll explore how business transactions are recorded using the double entry accounting system and see accounting in action.